In this guide, we are going over the best ROG Xbox Ally settings for Call of Duty Black Ops 7 to get the max FPS and performance. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before even launching into Black Ops 7, you're going to want to open up your command center here on your Xbox Ally X. So go ahead and get opened into the command center. And once you're in your command center, go ahead and go to the performance tab right here and switch your operating mode to turbo right here. This is going to give you the max performance. Your fans may run a little bit louder, but you'll get a lot better FPS. For your resolution settings, which you can adjust as well if you back out of this section and go into general and then into device info. If you're on handheld, put it on 720p for the best performance. 900p is a good balance, but obviously I'm in docked mode right now since I'm screen recording this. And if you're in docked mode or on a TV and a monitor, use 1080p. It's fine for better visuals. For your FPS though, what you're going to want to do is put it at 60 FPS for stable and smooth FPS, 90 FPS for a competitive balance, and 120 F, which is possible on a 720p or 900p monitor. If you set it to 60 FPS, use a 60 Hz refresh rate, but if you're doing 90 to 120 FPS, go ahead and put it to 120 Hz refresh rate and launch the game. Once you're in the game itself, what you're going to want to do is go directly into your settings, and once you're in your settings, go to graphics settings, and in the display settings first, go ahead and put your display mode to full screen borderless. Put your monitor to keep default, turn VSync off and anti-lag. I recommend turning this off as well, or you could test it more yourself if you want. This one's kind of finicky. For graphics quality though, go ahead and put it to minimum, which looks surprisingly good, especially in handheld mode. The game is super well optimized. And for upscaling, go ahead and turn on AMD FSR 1 and apply all your settings when you're done. You can also adjust your FOV to whatever your preference is. I like to keep mine at about 105 to 110. But that is it. This video will get you so much better performance here in Black Ops 7. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.